It can keep your phone going even when the battery runs low when you're on the go. I'm Kurt the Cyber Guy. Quick tips like these at CyberGuy.com, where you can sign up for my free newsletter. Low battery mode is what it's called. It's a helpful feature on both iPhone and Android that'll conserve your battery when it's low on power. Here's how to use it. On iPhone, go to Settings, select Battery, then toggle on Low Power Mode. When low battery mode is on, the battery icon on the top right corner will turn yellow so you know it's working. Once your iPhone is charged to 80% or higher, low battery mode will automatically turn off and revert to normal. It's a bit different for Android though. Do this. Open the device settings in Android on the menu and tap Battery and Device Care. Tap Battery again and then toggle the button next to the power saving option. Because sometimes life happens and recharging your phone when you're busy is not the first thing on your mind. You're going to love doing this. At CyberGuy.com, you can click this little red button to sign up for my free CyberGuy Report newsletter.